Okay. So look, guys, I've already cut my lobster tails. I just want to, I've actually cut them with scissors. And I only did a few like this, but I didn't want to cut them all the way. I just wanted to, you know, break it open because you'll see in a minute. Like this one, I left the top done because I wanted to do it like this so that it wouldn't completely cut open. Because when I lay it in the pan, I'm going to lay it down like this in the pan so that side gets done real good. And then I'm going to turn it up and keep basting the inside. So I want to do this just a little bit more so that I could do it like that. I didn't want it completely cut like I did that one. Just a little bit. Yes, so this one I think I don't want to cut it too much. Okay, this one I didn't do. So we're going to open it up. Where I pre-cut a little bit, and then I'm going to break it open. So that all you see is this now. See? Okay, I'll be back once I get them all done, and then I'll show you how to baste them. Okay, so now I'm putting them, I'm done cutting them. I'm opening them up and laying them in here. Because I'm going to baste them. So it looks like I'm not going to be able to get them all up in here. So, let me just show you this part. Okay. You stop it. Okay, so, wait a minute. Stop it. Alright, so, here's my mixture. I got garlic. This is a good little mixture. It's a seasoned mixture with butter. So now, I'm just going to take it. Get close in, Caitlin. Move it close in so they can see me. Get close in there. And just rub it down there. Slather it on. I actually want to get the garlic down in there. And slather it on. Because look, remember, I'm going to turn these and let them cook on this side first. And then I'm going to turn them back over. So you want to get it all up in there. So I'll bring you back once I start cutting them. Oh, I mean once I start cooking them. Okay, so I put a little olive oil in my pan. And you saw when I basted these. So now, you hear that sear? Just lay them down there. 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 Oh! Alright. So I'll bring you back when I flip them over. Alright, so now I'm starting to flip them over. Look at all that goodness in the pan. Look at all that goodness in the pan. So I'm flipping these over. And I'm going to put some more in. Because after I finish searing them a little bit, I'm going to put them in the oven to finish off to cook a little bit more, just a little bit, while I continue to sear. I got some shrimp going on after this. Some shrimp and it's going right into this goodness right here. Some shrimp and scallops. So that's what I want to do right there. Okay guys, so here's my shrimp. And I got some scallops in there. I seasoned it real good with my seasoning. And it's going to make a little butter sauce. It's a lemon garlic butter sauce with my seasonings. Looks good. Look guys. So this is almost done. And look at the juice down in there. It's like a seasoned juice. Oh, a butter lemon garlic. green lip mussels, shrimp, scallops. All right, guys, today's meal. Look at this. And I also ordered some shrimp. I mean, not ordered shrimp. I also ordered crabs. We got crabs and crawfish. But I cooked the lobster and the shrimp and everything else you see here, the scallops. And the mussels I pulled in and heated them up, added a little bit more. Added some seasoning and stuff to them. So this is bomb right here, guys. Let me see this. Let me move one of these over.
The claws, can you make?
All right, so look, y'all. We got some crawfish. We got crabs, clams. All this was brought. We brought the crawfish, the clams, the crabs. But this is what I made. Minus these clams, I had to put some seasoning on them. So we dipping them down in the juices. Because they were not seasoned, so. But it's the mussels in there, the shrimp, the scallops, and then, you know, the lobster tails. And look at these crabs, y'all. These crabs are huge. Look how big these things are.